realists. In 1957, he moved from America to Rome, and the art world was going the other way.
This is a huge wall of cloud that we have yet to decide if it's a forest fire or what. It stretches all the way from the horizon up a couple thousand feet. It stretches, looks like 30, 40 miles across the earth. Absolutely ridiculous.
It's a dust storm and we start hitting it, we gotta go the other way, dude.
You can't let that get in your car.
Yeah, that's what I'm
It'll
saying.
fucking kill your engine.
Yeah,
That is huge. Just to show how big this dust storm is that we're about ready to go into. It stretches from one side of the car all the way to the other side. And this is how high it is. I mean, honestly. And we're about ready to drive right into it. Hold on. One second, I want to get a good picture of this. I'm going to string this together on iMovie.
You don't want to just go through this, do you?
No, but we can pull over.
No, just keep going, so we gotta breathe it. Just keep going.
This is us driving through the dust storm. The wind is very, very strong. And visibility sucks.
You're a scream, you're terrific, my brother.
Thanks, boys. Just gave me a swell idea. Listen in on my program tomorrow night and you'll hear a story about the Long Torpedo. So will everybody else in the country. I wouldn't use that material if I was you, Gene. You may be running this town right now, Mark, but you're not running my radio program.
I just think it's so funny because, like,